Hello, everyone. There was a patient one time, she came to the office, we did a consultation, and she had cracked a tooth. We ended up having to extract the tooth, right? But the patient, because she had family member coming in town and they were going to celebrate, they were going to drink alcohol, she decided to actually get medication and come back for her extraction, which was good actually for her because whenever we do dental extraction, one of the instructions is to not take alcohol for next 2 or 3 days. And so you may be wondering why, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Why is it that alcohol should be avoided after dental extractions? I'm Dr. Valerie Mukanga with Healing Wings Dental, the place where we help our patients maintain and or regain their oral health and their smile so that they can soar in life. So why should alcohol be avoided after dental extraction? There's several reasons, and I'm going to talk about a few of them today in this live. Number one reason why alcohol should be avoided is because alcohol can actually interact with medication that you are taking or the medication that will be prescribed once, after your treatment. So that's one of the reason why. So it's going to increase, your pain. I mean, your pain is going to not be masked out with the medication, and so you're going to feel an increase of pain instead of feeling relief, with the medication that you're taking after an extraction. Because after a tooth is extracted, you have to go through a period of healing, and that time actually, the body recuperating, you're going to feel pain. So if you take alcohol during that time, you may or may not, feel that relief of pain by the medication that we're prescribing to you. So just imagine, if you were one of the people who came in for an extraction because your tooth was really, it was hurting a whole lot. Now imagine that, it has been extracted, but you're still going through that pain. You have been prescribed medication and it's not working. And it's not just pain medication, but even, say for example, you're taking antibiotic, we prescribe antibiotic to you because of the infection, where alcohol will interfere or interact with the antibiotics that will be prescribed to you, and is going to prevent it decrease its effectiveness. So you don't want that, right? Because you don't want the infection lingering there, or the effect of the antibiotic that has been prescribed to you to decrease because you're taking alcohol. And people may take alcohol for many different reasons, maybe to just like forget about the pain or whichever, numb themselves, but it's actually contra-interactive, so, or indicated as well. So you want to deter for that reason taking alcohol after an extraction. A second reason why you want to do that is because alcohol is actually going to increase blood flow at the area. While whenever we do an extraction, we actually need a blood clot to be formed. That means you have to have blood there and it actually clots. But if alcohol is actually causing bleeding, then the clot is not forming, right? So that's the reason why the clot maturation takes about 2 to 3 days. And so basically you want to refrain from taking alcohol during that time so that the clot can form and become mature, so that you can be well on your way to healing. Otherwise, what can happen is you can end up with a dry socket, which means that the clot did not form, and now or the clot got dislodged as well. And so with that being said, the area, the socket, or the place where your tooth was, is not bare. So you have nerve ending that are there, you have the the that are exposed, you have the bone that's exposed, and so you end up being in excruciating pain. I mean, the way people describe dry socket is like if you had tooth pain, multiply that, you will be in so much more pain than when you actually had the toothache. So basically, it's going to decrease the clot from being stable or impede with it, and so you're going to end up, being in pain and decrease increasing the possibility or likelihood of ending up with a dry socket. So those are some of the reasons. I just wanted to give you two reasons why you want to refrain from taking alcohol after interaction with medication, and also the increased healing causing or may that can lead to dry socket. So if you are one person that feel like, yes, I'm in pain, so I'm just going to take alcohol so I can forget about the whole thing, or I can numb myself up, or even, you're like, okay, I'm going to take alcohol before treatment, please don't do that. That cannot be beneficial for you. So what the recommendation is to stay away from alcohol from the next 2 to 3 days post dental extraction. Okay, there are many more reasons, but today I just wanted to share two with you. So just take heed to what the doctor tells you. And if you feel like, you have an event coming up and you're able to help it, then do like that lady. Okay, she kind of postponed her treatment for a couple days after when her family was gone. And that was more beneficial because when she came, she knew that she was going to stay away from it. And she was good like that. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. I'm Dr. Valerie Mukanga. We have our office, Healing Wings Dental, that's located in Arlington, Texas. So if you don't have a dentist, if you need a second opinion, if you want to get your treatment done and you are where we're located, or you know somebody that has come to us and you have heard a great testimony about our office, don't hesitate to come see us. We are located at 4101 West Greenhouse Boulevard, suite number 317 in Arlington, Texas, and our phone number is 972-213-0202. Give us a call. We'll be able to fit you in. Usually we're able to see people within the week, and definitely if it's an emergency, we take on emergencies on a daily basis. So we are here for you, trying to make you or become rather part of your oral health journey. All right, so that being said, we'll talk to you next time with another topic that has to do with optimizing your oral health. Take care and be blessed. Bye-bye.